Welcome back. So this is the MKBHD leather strap for a moment. It comes in this envelope with the tessellation and the iconic red stripe on the front, and on the back you have some information about this band in particular, along with a nice note that reminds you can recycle this envelope when you're done with it. And opening it up, you have these straps themselves on this board, and I did struggle getting them out, but once I figured that out, these feel like they're pretty high quality bands. So on the outer face of the straps, you have that same tessellation pattern embossed with that red stripe, and on the inner face, you have the MKBHD and Moment logos. To match the matte black leather, the stainless steel hardware for the buckle and the actual watch connectors are also matte black, which looks really good with my space gray Apple Watch. Personally, I'm a fan of the single loop Apple Watch bands like this one, since I don't have to worry about a clasp or anything. I can just stretch it and put it on. But this leather strap has been pretty comfortable. It is a bit thinner than my old band, and it honestly even feels a little bit lighter, like there's less weight for the overall watch on my hand. I do wish though that there was some more length for the side of the strap that has the holes on it, since I'm only using the second hole, and it is a little hard to hold the little bit that you get on the other side of the buckle when you're closing it up with one hand. And so far, I've used it for most of the things I do with my watch on, like going to the gym, running some errands, going to work. And as expected, it is a watch band. It works great. It holds my watch to my wrist. And like I mentioned before, it is a little bit lighter, so it has been a little more comfortable to wear throughout the day. It's not as bulky. It was a little stiff for the first day or so, but I expect that since it is leather. Just taking it on and off a couple of times really helped loosen it up and make it a little easier to clasp it with one hand. As for the design, I really like how nice and subtle it is. Aside from the single MKBHD logo on the loop and a very faint Moment logo that I didn't even notice on the buckle, it's pretty clean, and you don't have to worry about it looking like it's standing out, like having a big logo on your wrist. But overall, this is a high quality and comfortable watch band with a really crisp design that feels like it's gonna last a while. If you want one for yourself, I'm gonna put a link to it down below the like button. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Be sure to subscribe down below for more videos about tech, cameras, and making. Here's a video where I used Automator to change my desktop wallpaper, and here's a video that YouTube thinks you're gonna like the best.